time to slow down.
My to-do list never seemed to end. With each task I'd complete, 10 magically appeared. Text messages, phone calls, emails, I was just bombarded. And it finally got to a point where I wanted something to remind me to just slow down, to wake up, to actually be present and aware of what I was doing. This is what the thinking egg represents. And I know that there are many people in my shoes wanting to slow down and wanting to rethink how time is spent. With your support, you'll help bring the thinking egg to life. My name's Oscar, and I'm the founder of Origin Design Company. Thanks so much for watching.
Of life. Want some music? Try Solarbox, the tough and portable solar-powered outdoor speaker. Simply pair Solarbox with your device via Bluetooth and let the music flow. Put Solarbox under the sun for 10 minutes and it can play music for 30 minutes continuously. Wherever there's sun, you've got an instant party. Also, Solarbox is the most light and portable solar-powered speaker in the world. With a carabiner and a Velcro strap, you can attach the Solarbox to a backpack, a tent, a tree, a bicycle, or wherever you like. The Solarbox is also rated as IPX6 waterproof, which means that Solarbox can resist powerful water jets, heavy splashing, and rain. It is ideal to take camping, to the river, or the pool. Want to pick up phone calls when your hands are not available? Just simply press a button, and you can enjoy the built-in CVC noise-canceling microphone for hands-free calls. Want to use Solarbox on the beach? No problem. With the high dust-proof level, it will never get dirt in. The solar panel can generate and store massive amounts of power. When fully charged, it can play your tunes for more than 30 hours without the sunshine. Efficient and eco-friendly. Oh, by the way, Solarbox even has an LED light on it. The high-fidelity, detailed sound, extra-accurate sound location, and consistent high-quality sound will make this the most epic listening experience you will ever have. And it's shockproof. Immerse yourself in music and in nature. Solarbox, your tough and portable solar-powered outdoor speaker.
Hi, I'm Adrian, passionate storyteller and creator of Vixari Tripod. Because I'm always on the go, I've been looking for an ultra-portable and multifunctional tripod that works with my smartphone, DSLR camera, and GoPro, and that's ready to use wherever I travel. Vixari stands apart from the pack because of its compact size, unique design, and extendable legs. Fast to set and easy to use, Vixari will help you capture the moment like never before. Forget flimsy selfie sticks that have limited angle versatility and often end up visible in your pictures. No more improvisations and no more compromise. Other tripods on the market are heavy, bulky, and inconvenient to transport to location and haul to the site. Vixari is sleek, light, and comfortable to carry. You can now be part of the picture, part of priceless memories, have perfect control over your images, and get the best angle without interrupting the moment. Don't ever miss out on a great photo opportunity, no matter where you are. Thank you.
It's simple, powerful, and easy use. With pinpoint accuracy, you'll notice the difference in training and on game day. The unit is the smallest on the market, so it doesn't get in your way. With a 100Hz IMU, including an accelerometer and gyroscope, and the latest 10Hz GPS technology, combined with the SPT vest, the combination is made for comfort and durability. During a game or training, review your results in real time. Compare data with your team so you can see who goes the distance, pushes their intensity, or who hits top speed. Performance and injury management to keep players from overloading, help players maintain a high performance output, get players back on the field faster, and monitor intensity when players are sore. All of this in a simple, easy to use and understand user interface. Make the difference. Step up your game with SPT.